Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to show you something very interesting that I found. This is a new client. He has a listing that's been around for many, many years. And about 2-3 years ago, it was doing amazing. I'm talking about this guy was selling hundreds and hundreds of units a day from certain SKUs, in just child SKUs, selling so many units a day. He was ranked, I think, under 1,000 in the main category. And now it just, for the past year or the past 2 years, it fell off a cliff. It just hasn't been selling well. And the guy tried a lot of different agencies. He tried re-optimizing the listing. He tried pushing it with different technique of pay-per-click, sending external traffic, tried a lot of different things, and nobody could figure out what's going on. So I said, it doesn't make sense. There must be something that happened, that changed. And it's not the season. That's not how Amazon works. If your sales start slowing down and your competition is still killing it, something's wrong with your listing. So I did some product research, and there's keywords over here. This has 25,000 searches a month. This has 90,000 searches a month, 15,000, 6,000, 2,000, 10,000, 20,000. All these keywords, they all add up. But look, he's not ranked, for most of these, he's not ranked good at all. Like this one over here with 25,000 people searching for a month, he's nowhere. He's not on Amazon's radar at all. But if you look over here at the graph, you'll see the all-time, he used to be killing it. September, he was in the first position. October, November, he was still in the first to top 10 position. January, first top 10. This is already a year going on. He's in the top 10. You go 2 years now. Over here, he's still in the top 10. So he was killing it for so many years. And it's just insane because they didn't know what happened. They thought it was just nature, that it was just all of a sudden over here, they just started tanking. This is years later, just started tanking 80, 90, 100, now in the 200s. Now it's gone. It's not even on the 300th spot. So that's one keyword that I just saw, and it's insane that they would just let that slip. But now that we see that it slipped, we're going to target it and get it back up there. And the same thing over here. This has 86,000 people searching for it a month. We're nowhere to be found at all. Go over here and you look at the history of the item. All time, we were in the first position also for this. First, second, just January, February, March, September now. We're still in November. We're still in the top 10. We're killing it. Now it's May 2020 over here. We're in the 7th position. We started looking in 2018. So for years, he was killing it. Look at this. And then all of a sudden, you see, it just starts dropping. 2021, it just starts going down and down and down and down and down and just gone off Amazon's radar. And it's like a race. I always say it's like a race. You're running in a race and all of a sudden guys pass you, and it's very hard to catch up with these guys sometimes. Very hard. You'll be able to build up the momentum again and get back on the radar. But now that these guys all passed him, it's much, much harder to really get ahead of them again. But it's crazy. This keyword, this keyword, this keyword is, and this is just one product. There's many products like this where the guy's whole business is doing 10% of what it was. So my job now that I've identified these terms is to start targeting these terms. We already got it to start, not that this is good, but we got it to pop up last week. Now it's June 9th. We got it to pop up 2 weeks ago, 139th spot, 200th spot. We're getting it back on the radar. This is so important, guys. You guys got to look at all your keywords. If you see that your listing used to do much better and now it's not, you need to figure out what happened and you have to fix it right away. And that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.